next? What's your name?
My name is Peace-Pepe.
Wait, what?
Peace-Pepe.
Ew, that's a very ugly name. I don't want peace. I want performance, okay? You can't work for me. Leave.
Okay, ma.
What type of plane is this?
I'm sorry, I don't remember calling you.
Sorry, ma. Sorry, ma.
Get up. What's your name?
I'm checking my ma.
They have left you.
Goodness grave! Wait, is that your breath? I can literally smell your breath from where I'm sitting. It's like a chemical warfare. Did you brush your teeth or you just gargled insults?
Beg your pardon.
Beg Listerine or Orbit. Matter of fact, I think you should beg Jesus. Because at this point, it's not air that's coming out of your mouth, it's terrorism.
Oh, I'm
Even
not too
before my nose
much.
files a lawsuit. Goodness grief.
Will you keep quiet?
Just polluting my living room. Are you guys just going to sit there or you're going to move forward? Sit. It's just the two of you now. I'll do something different. I'd ask you
Will you
questions.
keep quiet?